I would like to talk about the Dahabiya again, because this is really special. It is a wonderful crew, and they were there for us from morning till evening and even in the night, and they did their very best in all respects. They gave a big smile, they had a straight look, and they gave even more. They gave their big hearts to everything they did for us, and they tried to just make our stay the best possible, and they succeeded more than we could expect. There were two more guides to help us along when we left the boat. They took us along to beautiful sites, temples, and Samir, one of the guides, even made us to meet people out in the fields and talk to them and showed the earth, the plants, the birds, and everything which belongs to the present time of this country, which we hope will flourish and enjoy a better future than they had to overcome these last hard. Oh, I would never take any other but the Dahabiya cruise again. Not in a single moment. We felt very safe wherever we went to. We were well guided, we were well protected, and there was no reason to protect us from anything. So even if we had any problem, but we didn't have one. There was not one problem for us.